Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I would like to show you how to use the leftover parts. Like you can see here, there's lots of the leftover parts that I have saved from all the parts that I have cut. Okay, and to using those to make an underguard. Like here, I already make those, and so I will show you how to make this underguard in the video. Alright, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so you can see here the leftover parts that we're using is from the rear roller state, and that's on the side that we're cutting for the edge plate. And here you can see I'm using two of the plate, and the top one I drilled the hole on 19 and 13 millimeter holes, and to make it bigger holes that will fit the hacksaw screws, and also using the carbon powder to reinforce it. And for the bottom one, I make the countersunk on the bottom plate, and for this way we can hide this hacksaw screws, the cap screws. And after we make the countersunk on the hacksaw screws, and if you want to know how to make the countersunk hacksaw screw, I will put the video in the end of the video, then you can check that out. Okay, so then after that, when it's dried out, then we just put it on top, install it, and to check how much like the shape that we have to trim it, and to make the perfect shape that is fit with our RSAT system. And of course, here is you can also, if you don't have the left parts from the multi-roller state, you can also using the leftover parts from the popsicle as well, as long as you can make the shape as fit your setup, then that will be great. And that will be better if you can make the level is same level as your front plate. So here, after that, we just take that off and trim the edges, and to make this underguard as the edge is round shape, so this way it can helps us to slide our car back to the track easily. So here we're using the Dremel to trim the edges, but after the Dremel we're gonna using the other thing, because you can see the surface is pretty rough. So after that we're gonna using the sandpaper, and to sand the edges, and to make it the surface is much more smooth, and to make sure our car can slide back easily. Okay, so after that, just check one more time and see if the surface on your underguard is smooth enough, and also is the shape is gonna be fit on your car. So the easiest way, of course, is install it and check it and see how it works. So when your no matter your pivot or your RS systems, when it's moving, it's gonna block your movement or not. So after that, just check everything and see how it works. Okay, so this is today's video, and you can see the underguard that I made is basically same level as the front brake, so it makes your car easily slide back to the track, especially plus our AT systems. Okay, so this is our how to use leftover parts to make the underguard. Alright, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, and if you have any comment, please leave your comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, and for the next video, we will do the top plate modifications. Okay, so to make the RS system much more better. All right, and start from next video, I will try to tell you what's the next video that's gonna be, because sometimes it's hard to say, because some video takes longer, some video takes shorter. So I will try my best to let you know what's gonna be the next video. All right, so thank you, see you next time. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.